Good morning, Matrix. Do you struggle with DNA profiling? Let's look at an example. Right, so here we have a DNA profile. The question states the diagram represents the DNA profile of 3 children. There are the 3 children. There's the mother and the father and their parents. Only 2 children are the biological children and the 1 is adopted. The question is identify the 2 biological children. So what are we going to do? We are going to take a ruler. We always use a ruler so that you can check that the alignment of the bars are in the exact place they should be. And we're going to check which of the bars align with either mom or with dad. Remember, the bars of the DNA from the children should align either with mom or with dad and should not have any other bars there. So let's look at Hayla, for example. She shares a bar with mom, and there is your first sharing of bars. And then the father, there's Hayla. She shares here with dad as well. And then Hayla's next bar is shared with dad, and the next bar is shared with mom. This makes Hayla the biological child of the mother and the father. If we look at Priya has a bar here that neither present in mother or father. Let's look at the next one just to be sure. There she has a bar that is neither shared with mother or father. There's another bar. Now, very careful. Just look without a ruler like they do share it, but you can see that that is not aligned. And then there's the next bar, also not shared with mother or father. So Priya is probably the adopted child. But just to be sure, let's look at Leo. Leo shares a bar with dad. He shares a bar with mom. And then there's another bar that is also shared with the father. And then there's another bar shared with the father, and the last bar is shared with his mother. This makes Leo and Hayla the biological children. Now, it's very important when we do giving a reason for your answer that you talk about all of the DNA bands from Hayla and Leo are matched with the DNA bands of the mother and the father. Please be careful. Do not say lines or barcodes or genetic code. Or you could have said that none of the DNA bands from Priya match with the DNA bands from the mother and the father. But because the question asks about which 2 are the biological children, try and stick with the 2 biological children and their match with mom and dad. Well, there you go.